Hi everyone, so if you didn't know, Hobby Lobby has fall at 40% off, and look at these basket banners. These used to come in a felt, they're now in a wood, so they are $4.50 and then take off the 40%. Those are really cute. Then I wanted to show you guys the stickers. I think these are new. I don't remember seeing them before, and these I think are new as well. Super cute. Oh, look at these puffy ones, like little coffee. That's so cute. Oh, I don't remember these glittery ones before either. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a couple of stickers because my stores have been selling out. It's like once they get it in, that's it. They don't really restock. So I have to get a couple of stickers. And then this is just like some more of the crafting items that they have. So we'll take a look and see if there's anything else I want. Oh my gosh, there's a little cow over here. It's so cute. Like, look at this cow right there. It's a little diamond dot kit. Oh, they have many little leaves. That's cute. Oh, there's some like embroidery right here. Oh, look, to make a little like corn, pumpkin. Oh, these little pumpkins are cute. Let's see. They have like little lights. They got little Nomi guys. These like little puffy pumpkins. Oh, velvet pumpkins. Those are $5. And let's see. That's pretty much it. Oh, I think these are new. Little pumpkin shapes out of wood. I think those are new. Those are $4. And then, you know, whatever 40% off is. Ooh, look at these. I might get some of these for like Halloween. There's 12 in here for $1.99. Let's go look. How much is $1.99? Ooh, it's cheaper than Dollar Tree, you guys. So at 40% off, $1.99 is $1.19. Oh, I think I missed these flowers. Look at those. Those are pretty. Those are $3. So $3 is $1.80. I think that's a really good deal. So I'm gonna grab a couple things and then I'm gonna go see what else we can find. So stay tuned. How cute are these little cows? And then look at the little like turkey. And then these are super cute. The little animals. Really like those. We got like some floral stuff over here, but then over here we already have Christmas, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, the ornaments are stocked. Let's go see. Oh my god, I need that ornament. Oh, look, there's a little like yarn. I should get that for my mom. Oh my god, the balloons. How cute. Okay, Christmas is not on sale right now, or I actually would have got a couple things. Oh, look at the like pastels down here. Those are really cute. Oh, those over there too. Oh my god, look at the bows. So the bows are $11. Oh, passport. So we might actually finally get our passport stamped. We've been to many different countries. Oh my god, the pig. I need that pig. Oh my gosh. Why aren't these on sale right now? Oh my god, the gold bow. Okay, so we've been to a bunch of countries on cruises, but when you cruise, they don't stamp your passport book. So even though we've been to a lot of places, we don't have not one stamp in our book. And for Canada, we are flying into Canada, so I'm guessing that maybe we would finally get our first stamp. I don't know. We're gonna find out, and I'll let you guys know if we do. But yeah, here is a look. Oh my gosh, that wad of money. If you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know that we love going to the casino, so I love that. How fun. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for this stuff to go on sale, you guys. So pretty. I see a ton of new ornaments already. Oh, everything's so cute. Let's go see what else we find. If you guys are into this like Grinch tree, it's in 3 different sizes this year. So there's the baby, and then oh no, maybe it's only 2 and they have 2 out of the same size. I'm sorry, I thought these were two different sizes, but I think they might be the same size. Oh no, they're not. So yeah, they're different sizes. So there's the medium, and then that's supposedly the bigger one, but they look the same size to me. So I don't know. But over here behind me, look at all this pastel yummy goodness, like all those trees and all the colors. If you want a pastel Christmas, this is going to be your year. Oh my god, there's huge gumdrops up there, you guys. Oh wow, look at all the stuff up on top. Wow. Yes, if you want a candy winter wonderland, Hobby Lobby is where it's gonna be this year. Oh my gosh, I would love to just have this stuff like on hand and have like a candy birthday party. Like, how fun would a candy themed birthday party be? Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh look, there's those gumdrops again. Adorable, love it. So my store has tons of palettes everywhere right now. You cannot walk in the aisles, so I'll definitely come back and see what I can find next time. Hopefully they'll have everything out. So this is my favorite section, the My Little Christmas. I love all the little miniatures. Like, I think those are new right there. Oh my gosh, look, going with that whole like pastel vibe. There are little houses and stars and cookies. Oh my gosh, the little gingerbread and the candy. So cute. I can't wait to see what else they come out with. And when this stuff is all on sale, I'll definitely be stocking up. You guys, we found this like faux leather stuff on clearance. So they have it all turned upside down because they marked the clearance on the back. Some of it is marked on the front. There's some felt that's also on clearance. So I need to go through all of this and see what is on clearance. Oh, I missed this up here. The foam on top is also marked down on clearance. Oh, there's a bee set. Oh, I might get that one. So definitely check out your store, see what you can find. I wonder if any of these are on clearance. No, I don't see them marked. That's a bummer. So this mesh tubing is on clearance. These flowers are also on clearance. We have these little fuzzy ones, dinos, happy faces. The larger felt sheets are also on clearance with little light blue. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these new beads. I know you guys are all into that like cowboy design, and look, they have beads, but then look at these like shiny beads over here. There's more. Look how pretty these are. There's so much new stuff right now. Like, I love when they do clearance because then they like reset the store. Oh look, there's 3 strands. I wonder if there's more. Oh, look at these. It's got like little stars or something in there. Oh, see, look, they did come out with a lot more, like 3 strands. Oh, I like that. So, oh, look. I don't like the pink, so I'm not gonna get those, but the glitter is what caught my eye. So I'm about to see what else. Oh, look at these. Those are pretty. Look at the little ducky beads. So these do go 50% off. You get 12 of them. And then I'm thinking about getting these for like Halloween, but I only see like 1 orange in this pack. I definitely want like a lot more orange. Let's see, what would this be, like $3.50? Oh, it goes by grams, it's not by pieces. I wish it told me how many pieces. Oh, there's some more oranges in the back. I might get this one. I think it would be really cute to use for Halloween with the little gummy bears. But here is kind of like a look. They did get a lot more stuff in this area. Look, here's some more of that like cowboy stuff. These are my favorite kind of beads right here, these rhinestone beads. So here's a little look. These kits down here in the yellow, those don't go on sale, but they're still really good value if you find one that you like. There's one, I don't see it right now, but there's actually like a $4 one. It must be right here that's missing. I've gotten that one. Oh look, these are like just shiny. Those are cute. Oh, like mini little pony beads. Those could be good for like Pokie tools and like beadable pins. So oh, these are really good. Like if you're doing Halloween crafting right now, they have, these are a 10, 8, and a 6. Highly recommend those. Those are also 50% off. There's some white if you want to do like black and white. There's numbers right here if you want to do any of that for Halloween. I know I already started pulling out my Halloween stuff because I'm just so ready to dive in to Halloween crafting. So yeah, here's a little look of what they got over here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap up this video. I had to come check out the clearance and see what all they have. Not a whole lot at this store, so I'm gonna pick through, see if I find anything, but that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.